Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to in our online class. I am introduced to you. I am Mrs. Arif Inamdar, Associate Professor Veer Wajekar, ASC College Punde. Already all of you learned first order reaction in FY basic class. Paper second, name of the chapter is Chemical Kinetic. So today all of you learn second order reaction. At the beginning, you understand your definition of second order reaction. In a second order reaction, the rate of the reaction is proportional to the product of two concentration. This gives rise to two possibilities. The rate of the reaction may be proportionate to the product of first to equal initial concentration, second to unequal concentration. In your syllabus, all of you learn initial concentration of the reactant equal. The reaction may be involved two molecules of the same substance. For example, twice A equal to products, or molecules of two different substances at equal initial concentration. For example, A plus B is equal to product. If A is initial molar concentration, X is the amount of reacted in time t. What is meant by A minus X? Then amount remaining unreacted time t. Therefore, dx by dt directly proportional to A in bracket A minus bracket square, or this equation number first, or dx equal to this proportionality constant cancel k in bracket A minus x bracket square. Above equation rearrangement of the equation first gives dx by A minus x bracket square equal to k into dt, and this equation can be integrated as in integration dx divided by A minus x bracket square equal to k is constant, you taking in outside, k in integration dt, which is integrates to 1 upon A minus x equal to kt plus k dash. That one equation is second, where k is constant of the integration, which is assuming t is equal to 0, so x is equal to 0, and 1 upon A minus a equal to k into 0 plus k dash. So therefore, k dash is equal to 1 upon a. Put the value of k dash, the above equation 2, we get 1 upon A minus x equal to kt plus 1 upon a. Rearranging this equation, kt is equal to 1 upon A minus x minus 1 upon a. LMC is A minus x. So you are writing in form of so k is equal to 1 upon at into x upon A minus x equal to this equation number 3. Equation number 3 is called the integrated rate law or characteristics equation for a reaction of the second order with equal initial concentration. In this way, all of you learn second order reaction. So next point, all of you learn kinetic characteristics of second order reaction. First, unit of rate constant k. Second, time complete definite fraction of the reaction. Third one is graphical interpretation. First, all of you learn unit of rate constant k. The velocity constant will be mole dm cube minus brackets square minus 1 second inverse, or the unit of k is dm cube mole inverse second inverse. Second, time to complete definite fraction of the reaction. An important characteristic of the second order reaction is the fact that the time taken to complete definite fraction of the reaction is inversely proportional to initial concentration. Small a, the half time which is taken for initial concentration of the reactant to be reduced to half, its value can be evaluated as if T1 half is the half time, then in this interval x is equal to a by 2 rearrangement of so k equal to 1 upon a by t into x upon a minus x, that one equation number first. So t is equal to 1 upon k into x upon a minus x. When x is equal to a by 2 and t is equal to t1 half s, so t1 half is equal to 1 upon ka into a by 2 a by 2 minus a by 2, that common factor is cancelled, so t1 half is equal to 1 upon ka, that one equation number second. It follows therefore that the half time t1 half inversely proportional to initial concentration of the reactant. Third point, graphical interpretation. Consider expressing for a rate constant for the second order reaction with equal initial in bracket A equal to B. The concentration of the reactant is equation is K is equal to 1 upon AT into X upon A minus X. Rearranging this equation, Kt is equal to 1 upon A minus X minus 1 upon A. 1 upon A minus X equal to Kt plus 1 upon A. This equation is, type of the equation is y equal to mx plus c. Plotting the graph in y-axis A minus x, 1 upon A minus x versus time t. So intercepts on y-axis, this intercepts is 1 upon a. Here is the plot, the 1 upon x against t will be straight line, will positive slope equal to k. The intercepts on y-axis is given the value of 1 upon a. In this way, kinetic study of second order reaction. Example of second order reaction, thermal decomposition of acetaldehyde. The acetaldehyde in gas phase, acetaldehyde decomposes on heating into methane and carbon dioxide. By means reaction is twice CH3CHO equal to twice CH4 plus twice CO. Thank you.